Here's a short video on how I use glue stick to help things stick on my print bed of the 3D printer. I just used an old glue stick I found in the junk drawer. And the trick is to not use too much. I'll just put it in an area that I think I'm going to need. I don't try to do the whole board, so I'll just go back and forth like this. Forth like this. Try not to use too much. And then use rubbing alcohol. I like to use the spray bottle. It's handy, but if you don't have a spray bottle, you can always just pour a little on there. Ooh, that's plenty. And then the idea is to use a rag and smooth it out. In fact, you can't hardly even see it once you get it the way you want it. You don't really want any globs or anything. It almost looks like it's gone, but it's not. It's there still. And that's pretty much all there is to it. And it will last a long time. It will last weeks, or depending on how much you use it, I guess. Give that a try.